everybody, it's me Mukil again. Have you thought math was hard? Well, I haven't, because I know the math tricks. Today I'm just gonna teach you one math trick for the 9 times table, which will make math easier. Now, we're gonna look at the 9 times table in the traditional way. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is 54, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 is 72, 9 times 9 is 81, 9 times 10 is 90. That seems hard, right? But now let's do it the easy way. So, we have 2 hands and 10 fingers. So, let's number them left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the first step. Now, if I want to do 9 times 2, I fold the second finger. Now, the right of the second finger is the ones. Left of the folded finger is 10. I have 1 10, so that's 10. And 3 plus 5, 8. So 18. Isn't that easy? Now let's do 9 times 7. I fold the 7th finger. Now I have 6 10s, 60, and 3 1s, 3. So now 63. Isn't that easy? Let's do 5. 9 times 5. I have 4 10s and 5 1s. So 45. And that is the math trick, and it works for every number 1 to 10. Now you can try this at your house and math will be easy for you. Thank you for watching, viewers. Please support and subscribe my channel.